Today, we're diving into something a little different, something raw, edgy, and unapologetically stylish. We're talking about industrial chic barndominium design. Imagine this: the ruggedness of an old factory meets the warmth and coziness of a countryside barn. It's a unique fusion that creates a space both sophisticated and down to earth. Industrial chic design is all about celebrating raw materials. Think exposed brick, steel beams, and reclaimed wood. If you love this type of look, hit that subscribe button to help us create more videos. And let us know in the comments what you'd love to see in future videos. Now, imagine layering that in a spacious and open barndominium. You get the best of both worlds, a home that feels both sturdy and welcoming, good for anyone wanting that blend of urban style and rustic charm. But why barndominiums, you might wonder? They've skyrocketed in popularity, not just for their versatility, but also because they offer tons of space and flexibility to get creative with design. You're not confined to traditional layouts. Instead, you've got a blank canvas to turn that industrial chic dream into a reality. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support means to me, and it helps keep the design ideas coming your way. Let's start on the outside, because first impressions count. For an industrial chic barndominium, the exterior is where you really set the tone. Picture this: sleek metal siding paired with natural wood accents, giving the structure an authentic industrial edge. Exposed steel beams frame large, imposing windows that flood the interior with natural light, blurring the lines between indoor and outdoor living. The beauty of this style is that it's raw yet refined. Imagine weathered stone mixed with the clean lines of black steel, creating a striking contrast that grabs attention. But it's not just about looks. These materials are chosen for their durability. Steel and metal siding can withstand the elements, making them good for that barndominium lifestyle, especially if you're setting up in the countryside. To soften the industrial look, consider adding a touch of greenery. A few climbing vines or potted plants can breathe life into the rugged exterior. Don't forget about those extra touches like matte black hardware, oversized barn doors, and maybe even a rooftop terrace with industrial-style railings. This exterior design isn't just about curb appeal. It's about setting a bold, confident tone before you even step inside. Now, let's step inside and talk about what makes the interior of an industrial chic barndominium so captivating. The open floor plan is the heart of it all. Barndominiums are famous for their expansive, airy layouts, which just so happen to be the good canvas for that industrial vibe. You walk in and you're immediately greeted by soaring ceilings with exposed ductwork and raw wooden beams that make the space feel like a modern loft. The beauty here is in the details that celebrate the architecture itself. No need to cover up those structural elements. Instead, let them shine. Concrete floors? Yes, please. They add an understated elegance while being practically indestructible. And those brick walls? Keep them raw and exposed for that authentic industrial feel. You can break up the vastness of the space with statement pieces like oversized fans, dramatic pendant lighting, or even a modern fireplace surrounded by steel and glass. It's all about creating a balance between the harshness of industrial elements and the warmth of a cozy home. The trick is in how you use these materials, layering textures and playing with light to create that good blend of comfort and sophistication. Let's talk about where the beauty really comes: the living room and kitchen. These are the spaces where you'll spend most of your time, so making them feel cozy yet stylish is key. Start with the living room. Think leather sofas with metal frames, paired with plush, oversized rugs that soften the look. You want it to feel inviting, a place where you can relax without sacrificing that industrial edge. And for the walls, consider adding some oversized art or maybe even a gallery wall featuring black and white photography to keep it timeless. Now, onto the kitchen that is real showstopper in an industrial chic barndominium. This is where you can get creative with materials. Picture open shelving made from reclaimed wood, paired with stainless steel appliances that scream modern sophistication. Butcher block countertops add a rugged charm, while hanging metal light fixtures above a large island make a bold statement. The goal here is to keep things functional and minimalist, while still letting the design speak for itself. Add in a few splashes of greenery, potted herbs, or succulents on the windowsill to keep the space from feeling too cold. It's all about finding that sweet spot between chic and comfortable. Now, let's move to the more private spaces, the bedroom and bathroom. You might think that industrial design is too cold for a bedroom, but that's where industrial chic comes in. It's all about combining raw materials with softer, cozy elements. Imagine a bedroom with exposed brick walls, a metal bed frame, and soft linen sheets in neutral tones. It's minimalist, yet inviting. Throw in a couple of textured pillows, a knit throw blanket, and maybe even a reclaimed wood headboard to add some warmth. Lighting plays a huge role too. Opt for exposed filament bulbs or a sleek industrial chandelier to set the mood. As for the bathroom, we're talking pure industrial luxury. Subway tiles are a classic choice, especially when paired with a walk-in shower enclosed in black framed glass. The sink area can feature a vessel sink on a reclaimed wood vanity, complemented by matte black fixtures for that modern touch. Don't shy away from using darker tones here. Gray or even charcoal walls can create a cozy yet sophisticated vibe. And to keep it from feeling too harsh, add in soft towels, a vintage rug, and maybe even some scented candles. It's all about making these functional spaces feel like a stylish retreat. So, you've got the structure down, but what about those finishing touches? This is where your creativity can really shine. Industrial chic decor is all about mixing the old with the new. Think about adding a few statement pieces like a vintage trunk as a coffee table or repurposing old factory lights as ceiling fixtures. For art, go big and bold. A large abstract piece can make a dramatic statement on that brick wall. And don't forget about texture. Soften the edges with throw pillows, blankets, and rugs in neutral tones. One of the best ways to add warmth to your industrial barndominium is with plants. Greenery not only contrasts beautifully with the raw materials, but it also breathes life into the space. Go for hardy plants like succulents or snake plants that are easy to care for, but still pack a visual punch. For color, stick to a palette of blacks, grays, and earthy browns. But don't be afraid to throw in a splash of rust or olive green to keep things interesting. Remember, it's all about balance, keeping it chic, functional, and welcoming. And there you have it, a complete guide to creating an industrial chic barndominium that's both bold and inviting. This design style is good if you're looking to make a statement while still keeping things cozy. The best part? It's all about making the space your own, mixing textures, playing with light, and adding those personal touches that make a house feel like a home. If you've been dreaming about creating your own industrial chic retreat, hopefully, this video has given you some inspiration to get started. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more design tips and inspiration. And we'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below with your favorite industrial chic elements, or let us know what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching.